तो तुलियन लेक के 2 दिन के डिमांडिंग सफर के बाद आज आई वॉन्ट टू टेक इट अ लिटिल ईजी। इसीलिए सोनमर्ग में आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू पुट माई फीट अप। We'll treat ourselves with a riverside glamping experience, have a leisurely walk in the last village of Kashmir, enjoy Rajma Chawal with some epic views and just chill around in the countryside. But इस सबसे पहले कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना जरूरी है। तो अगर आज आप इस इजी राइड पे मेरे साथ निकलने के लिए तैयार हैं, तो चलते हैं फिर। नेचर हैज बेस्टोड कश्मीर विद ऑल इट्स रिचनेस एंड ब्यूटी, और इस सबके बीच में एक एक्सपीरियंस का जिक्र हमेशा मिस हो जाता है। वो है द जॉय ऑफ बीइंग ऑन अ रोड ट्रिप। द 90 किलोमीटर्स ड्राइव फ्रॉम श्रीनगर टू सोनमर्ग ऑफर्स वन ऑफ द स्पेक्टेक्युलर ब्यूटीज ऑफ नेचर, फ्रॉम द गॉर्जियस पीक्स टू रशिंग सिंध रिवर, द टावरिंग alpine trees and gigantic snow-cuddled mountains. All of this make you instantly fall in love with this paradise. अपने पहलगाम के एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने एक चीज तो सीख ही ली थी कि अपने होटल तक पहुंचने के लिए लास्ट माइल में अगर आपको पैदल एक ब्रिज क्रॉस करना हो तो वो जगह कुछ खास ही होगी। What a location, जिब्रान यार, सीरियसली। आई मीन हम लोग पूरी जर्नी में मे बी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम पहलगाम, तो अलग व्यूज़ दिख रहे हैं, देन श्रीनगर बाईपास, सोनमर्ग पहुंचने से कुछ आई बिलीव हाफ एन आवर बिफोर, दैट्स व्हेन द लैंडस्केप थोड़ा सा इट स्टार्टेड चेंज, and from there onwards it kept getting better and better and better, and I was so glad the moment we crossed Sonmarg market, मुझे लगा कि ये सही जगह जा रहे हैं। What a panoramic location, yeah.
This place requires a glamping experience.
Isn't it?
Yeah, so that's what, actually my brother came up with the idea, Faizan. So when he bought the piece of land, so he was like, how we gonna start a hospitality sector here? So he wanted to give a unique experience to travelers. So that's how we came with the idea of glamping, and that's how Sheen Woods came into existence, and here we are right now with the majestic Himalayas surrounding by the... I got with the name Sheen Woods Riverside Resort because Sheen is in English like shine.
Okay.
So it shines in the morning, the peaks and the trees, everything is shining, and in Kashmiri it is like Sheen is snow. So then woods, you are surrounded by the woods and it's in front of the riverside. So that's how the name...
So the name actually sums up the entire experience.
There's no concrete thing. It's just the glamping, and after 6 months you just remove everything and put it again in summers. So yeah, everyone is like that, it's like a beautiful location, beautiful concept.
And I'm sure you should tell all your guests ki please check in around evening time, because us time pe I think how the colors are changing, and I'm pretty sure the sunset is going to happen soon. और पता नहीं यार, मैं आते ही the entire my mood has elevated, ऐसा हो गया। मुझे 5-6 घंटे की जर्नी के बाद अभी लग रहा है कि यार I've refreshed and I can't wait to actually explore the area. So Sheen Woods is a luxurious camping resort that will impress you from its absolutely scenic location right in front of the river to its chic and tastefully done rooms.
Even though the location is a little bit marred by the recent construction work of Zojila Tunnel, but still it offers a spectacular backdrop and a more rewarding experience than a regular hotel. सोनमर्ग का नाम बना है दो वर्ड से, सोना मीनिंग गोल्ड एंड मर्ग मीनिंग मेडो. फॉर दैट रीजन इट्स ऑल्सो नोन एज द मेडो ऑफ गोल्ड. जनरली मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है टू प्रोनाउंस वन प्लेस मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन द अदर. However, there are a few places which make you fall in love with not just their beauty but also with the unique location. और हमेशा की तरह I'd again say that the real magic of any tourist destination is found in its tiny hamlets. So our glamping resort is located in a village named Sarbal. This is the last village of Kashmir, situated just before the Zojila Pass and is the gateway to Ladakh. कश्मीर में बाकी सब जगहों की तरह हमें यहाँ भी चाय पीने का न्योता मिला और हर बार की तरह विदाउट गिविंग इट अ सेकंड थॉट हमने एक्सेप्ट भी कर लिया. Even though the people of the village were a bit shy in coming in front of the camera, उनके घर पे बिताए हुए वो कुछ पल were just priceless.
What background, yeah, what background.
This village is actually the last village of Kashmir Valley.
Okay.
You know, after this, the Ladakh Valley starts.
Okay.
So it's named as Sarbal village. It's like around 150 years old.
Oh, it's that old?
Yeah. People from Gurez, they have migrated to this place. And they used to live here in winters as well. So the people of Gurez are like, you know, they speak the language Shina. And these are from the tribe of Dard tribe. So they have migrated long back. And this is the place where they have, you know, put their houses and everything. Winters, it's like around 10 feet of snow here. So now from last couple of years, these people migrate to Gagangir, down to Sonmarg. You know, because it's too harsh, the winters are too harsh. So they have the other home there as well. So here right now on this spot, it will be around 10-15 feet of snow, easily. And it's like -20, -25. But it's beautiful. I have been here in December as well. Like that time it was around 4 feet of snow. This place looks amazing. It's crazy. This village, if you see the demography and the topography of the trees and everything and the passage of water coming from the valley, Durinar Valley, this part of village, it's not an avalanche prone area at all. So that time they have put, you know, the mind and everything to set up a home for themselves at this point.
जिस भी हम विलेज में जाते हैं, कहीं पे भी गांव में घूम रहे होते हैं, people smile, they want to speak to you, they invite you for chai, even though they're shy, but still it's like welcoming a family member, a relative, a guest.
People in Kashmir mostly are very hospitable, really hospitable, the low profile people with a smiling face always, you know, that is there, yeah.
After exploring the village, it was time to experience yet another intrinsic aspect of Kashmiriyat. Far from the world of malls and clubs, bonding the old-fashioned way is still a way of life in the valley. इसलिए weekends हो या weekdays, जब भी time मिले, Kashmiris still get together for simple picnics. Which means friends and family sitting under the shades of chinar trees, carrying their picnic baskets and discussing everything under the sun. Kashmir surely knows how to live up to its tag of paradise on earth.
I think ये मेरी लाइफ के सबसे सीनिक राजमा चावल होंगे.
With a beautiful view and
I can't get,
like this is like crazy.
it just can't get better than this, yeah.
The majestic mountains all around. Usually in summers, almost all the families, locals, they prefer to go for a picnic for a day. They just pack their lunch and everything, spend a time on a location and then move back to it.
कश्मीर में किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप निकल जाओ, you can have your all you need is some food and a कालीन or a दरी.
And you have a spot
Everywhere.
Just after you leave the Srinagar city, every 5 kilometers you'll find
a spot.
Maybe an orchard, maybe a cliff. You sit just behind the mountains. It's beautiful.
How was growing up in Kashmir like?
I think I remember like my school days. Actually, I've done my schooling from a missionary school. It's named as Tyndall Biscoe. So it's one of the oldest missionary schools, which was set by Britishers. And the best part of the school is like extracurricular activities. We learned the camping, the hiking part, the swimming, football. It has like multi different activities they used to indulge to the students. Skiing I have learned in Biscoe School.
Wow.
So, we have learned a lot from there. Then after my 12th, I went to Bangalore.
Oh,
Yeah.
which part?
BTM layout.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What year?
It was around 2008 to 11. I did my bachelor's from there. When you have done...
So we were in BTM at the exact time.
Is it?
I was in BTM second stage from 2007 till 2011.
Oh, it's so small world. Bangalore ke baad I just moved to Dubai. I started working in Dubai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I was working in a telecom company. And Dubai is also a crazy place. In the beginning 2 years, it's like a new life, a new city, and it's like 24 hours lit.
But I can't imagine, yaar, that would have been a 180-degree shift for a Kashmiri.
Yeah.
Living amidst meadows, living amidst snow.
And then deserts.
Cold temperature, and then desert, dry and extremely hot.
Yeah, but it's a new experience. You have stages in life. I, in Dubai, found that I miss greenery, I miss mountains. And it was like the mountains were calling me back. At one point of time, I felt like I'm living in a concrete jungle.
Yeah.
That made me realize from inside that no, I think it should be somewhere back home in mountains. So that's how I came back.
किसी भी जगह को देखना और जानना दो अलग अलग चीजें हैं. हम शायद रियलाइज नहीं करते, बट जल्दबाजी में की गई साइट सीइंग या फिर नॉट लेटिंग आवर टेस्ट बड्स अडैप्ट टू द लोकल क्विजीन एट टाइम्स टेक अवे द एसेंस ऑफ ट्रैवल. And frankly, the formula to experience a place is quite simple. Connect to the locals, share our lives, spend do-nothing days, and let the road show us our different way of life.